sorrows come and hope seems gone, you're the rock I rest upon. When waters rise and I can't breathe, you're the love that rescues me. Out of the darkness lifts up my eyes unto the hills. I feel my faith rise. Maker of heaven, giver of life, you are my strength, my song in the night, my refuge, my shelter, now and forevermore. My help comes from the Lord. When I'm broken, scarred by sin, death gives way to life again. When I suffer, when I'm bound, in you I'm free, in you I'm found. Out of the darkness lifts up my eyes unto the hills. I feel my faith rise. Maker of heaven, giver of life, you are my strength, my song in the night, my refuge, my shelter, now and forevermore. My help comes from the Maker of heaven, giver of life, you are my strength, you're my refuge, now and forevermore. Maker of heaven, giver of life, you are my strength, my song in the night, my refuge, my shelter, now and forevermore. My help comes from the Lord. My help comes from the
Be blessed and listen to Manawag Dominican Radio. May kasama ka.
Mga kasama, I have something for you. Let me talk about sportsmanship. Do you know what picon means? Picon means acting like a baby when you don't get what you want. When a baby does not get what he wants, he cries and kicks and makes a lot of noise. Sometimes perhaps you also act that way when you get beaten in a game of chess or basketball. You kick the chair or mess up the chess table or insult the winner or throw empty bottles and get into a nasty brawl. That's what happened in many of our big basketball games. We all behave like babies. We have not learned to grow. Sportsmanship is the opposite of picon. Sportsmanship means acting like a grown-up when you are playing a game. If you are playing chess or basketball or any game, you try your best, of course, to play it well. If you win, go up to the loser, shake his hand sincerely and say, "That was a fine game you played." If you lose, go up to the winner, shake his hand warmly and say, "Congratulations. I'll try my best next time to play as well as you." Next time you play with your playmates, do that. Show them that you are not a baby anymore. Be sports. Itong sportsmanship ay mahalaga hindi lamang sa paglalaro ng chess o basketball. Ang buhay natin ay parang isang laro din, hindi ba? Kung minsan nananalo, kung minsan natatalo. Itaning ninyo sa tatay o nanay ninyo, hindi lahat ng araw ay nakatawa at masaya ang tatay at nanay. Maraming problema kung minsan. Problema sa trabaho, problema sa pera, problema sa pagpapalaki o pagpapaaral sa inyo. Kung minsan, matagumpay ang buhay. Kung minsan naman ay bigo. Parang naglalaro ka rin ng basketball o chess, hindi ba? Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kaya ngayon pa ay sanayin natin ang ating mga sarili sa sportsmanship. Magsimula na tayo sa paglaro sa playground. Huwag kayong pikon. Patigasin ninyo ang inyong gulugod o backbone. Sa harapin ninyo ang game ng buong tapang at tiwala. Pag-aralan ninyo ng mabuti ang game at maging dalubhasa kayo sa paglalaro nito. Ang buhay din natin